Hey folks, out here making a path for the ATV. We're out here. Hilarious. Path goes all the way around the property. Like I said, one day I'll come out here and do a better tour, but for not right now, I'm just trying to get a lot of stuff taken care of and stuff. With all this rain we've been having, I haven't been able to really get out here. It rained again yesterday, but I decided to still come out just to at least clear up the path. But I'll start bringing out the heavy equipment again, probably next week or so. Get all that taken care of. So we can have it. I'm good to see them big logs down there. Really those are two big dead limbs that fell down there. I want to get those taken care of and out the way. For now, we just want to get everything cleared up. Probably gonna put my hunting stand maybe about right there in between these trees right here. Actually, at least one of the hunting stands right there. Like I said, all that property all back there is mine. This is where the spillway for the pond is going to be. This is the water that's already back here. I would come back here and try to clear it off some so we can fish out here this way, but I'd still rather have a pond dug.